Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be another new discovery type of video. I'm pretty sure marami na sa inyo ang may alam nito, pero ako recently ko lang nalaman, natagpuan, na-discover sa Shopee itong LIPZ DIVA products. So in my understanding, itong LIPZ DIVA, it's an independent lip product or lip company owned by, or I'm not sure if it's owned or endorsed lang by K Brosas. So, namamasya kasi ako sa Shopee, naghahanap ako ng mga murang liquid lipstick, ganyan-ganyan, baka maganda, ganyan-ganyan. So, I discovered these. So, meron akong tatlong type. So, we have here yung mga liquid lipsticks. Pero parang ito yata yung Diva Collection Silky Matte Liquid Lippie Diva Collection. So, meron akong K Brosas na shade, Jaya shade, and then meron ako nung Ultimate Liquid Lippie. And then, another type that I have is itong Silky Matte Ultra Pigmented Buildable Long-Lasting and Lightweight Liquid Lippie. Obsessed. And then, ano to? Silky Matte. Ito ay Silky Matte din. Okay. So, Silky Matte sila. Pero ito, Diva Collection. Tama ba? Anyway. And then, another type is, ito, nag-iisa lang siya. Yung kanilang LIPZ DIVA Lip and Cheek Tint. So, unahin ko munang ipakita ito kasi parang ito yung pinakamabait dun sa tatlo. I got two shades. First one is in the shade Villain, and then the other one is in the shade Obsessed. This is the shade Obsessed. So this is what Obsessed looks like, you guys. And you know what? Merong pros and cons tong product na to. Natry ko na kasi to the other day, and ang pro nito is, una sa lahat, it's so affordable. This is just 169 pesos, you guys. And you get this full pigment for just 169. Another pro for me is meron siyang minty flavor. So pag in-apply mo to, para kang maminti-minti, ganyan. And masarap. Kasi minsan diba naglalagay ka ng liquid lipstick. It's true na it's pigmented and buildable. And alam mo, komportable siya. Komportable siya sa lips. I don't feel any tugging. I don't feel any tightness or whatsoever. It's really comfortable. And hindi siya tacky. Tapos, now, this is not like super duper kiss proof. I mean, hindi siya kiss proof. If you kiss the back of your hand, magkakaroon siya ng stain. Pero, alam mo yun, for 169, medyo good buy na rin to. Itong liquid lipstick na ite. So, alam mo yun, if you're looking for a affordable liquid lipstick, I do recommend itong LIPZ DIVA Silky Matte, yung ganitong packaging. Kasi, iba to eh. It's also Silky Matte Liquid Lippie. Basta. So, this is the shade. Next shade is called Villain. Okay guys, this is the shade Villain. Ganda. So, before we proceed dun sa bonggang-bonggang parang pang matagalang liquid lipstick, ipapakita ko muna ito. Ito yung kanilang Slap Me Ultra Lasting Aloe Vera Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is in the shade Red Wine. Pero bakit may Natalie dito? I swear, Natalie, picture ni Natalie Hart yung yung nandun. Ay, light lang siya. Kano pambili ko dito? Original price is $149. I got it for $119. Ay. Alam mo, ang ganda. Kasi, it's a tint, pero hindi siya yung roller. Meron siyang, like, a really nice applicator. It's soft, by the way. Yung doe foot applicator. Tapos, hindi siya yung parang, di ba minsan pag yung lip tint, namumuo lang dun sa gitna. Ito, kung saan mo nilagay yung applicator. Wait, tatanggalin ko na bago pa mag-stay ng bonggang-bongga. Wala na, nag-stay na siya. Anyway, tingnan nga natin kapag binlend natin siya, if we wanna use it as a blush. Ay, in fairness, hindi madaling mag-set. Buti naman. Light hand lang yung pag-ano ko. Okay, I like this. I think I'll be able to use you every day. Okay, so dito na tayo mapunta, no? Ito talaga inaabangan ko, no? So, unahin natin ito, this one. Ang ganda ng packaging, no? Para siyang comic strip kineso. This is the Silky Matte Liquid Lippie Diva Collection in the shade Jaya. Jaya? Or Jaya Elizabeth? Parang Jaya Elizabeth yung nakita ko. So, look at the packaging, you guys. Ang ganda. Oh. Dahil grabe po yung pigment dye. Nakakaloka yung pigment. Okay, let's try it on our lips. Nakakaloka po. So, eto na siya. It dried into a matte finish. Pero grabe yung pigment niya, guys. Like, this is just one dip. And covered niya yung lips ko talaga in full pack color. Without, like, you know, second layer. Tingnan natin if it's kiss proof. Hindi siya tacky. It is lightweight, although you can feel na you have something on your lips, pero hindi siya yung super heavy, gaya ng Elana Cosmetics. Yeah. Meron siyang slight shading. Tingnan natin kung mauubos to, no? Pagkaka-kiss natin sa back ng hand. Yep, hindi siya parang 100% kiss proof or transfer proof, pero hindi naman siya like, you know, typical liquid lipstick. Hindi siya singlala nito ng transfer. And alam mo, ano pa yung kinaganda nito, guys? This is just 199 pesos. 200 pesos. 200 pesos lang to. Next shade is itong, ganda talaga ng packaging. This is the shade Carmela. So, this is the shade Carmela. Habang napakaingay po na mga kasama ko dito. Sharing. So, it's a very, very deep pinky color. I like this better than parang ito pag maulan, and then itong Jaya shade if it's summery and you know it's sunny outside and it's bright and everything. So yeah, this is Carmela. And last but definitely not the least, of course, I'm gonna get a red shade. At ito yung Ulti Matte Liquid Lipstick, Liquid Lippie. And ano ba shade nito? Holiday Red. Girl. Wow. So guys, this is Holiday Red. And mukha nga talaga siyang holiday red. Guys, ganito. This is just 199 pesos. Pero, ang catch is, hindi ko alam gaano to ka-long lasting. Pwedeng it's affordable na 199 kasi hindi naman pala siya ganun ka-super duper long lasting. So, we're going to have a very, very quick wear test today. Para matesting natin if this is, or kung gaano to ka-long lasting. Kung, yeah, it's affordable, 199, pero alam mo yun, very, very promising. So, without further ado, no, wala pang lunchtime. Let's wait for the wear test.
Meron.
Hey guys, so we just finished eating lunch and eto na ang lagay ng lips ko. So, I'm gonna kiss the back of my hand. Meron pa rin mga shading ng red kineso. So, what do you think? Ako medyo, sorry ang ingay medyo mabait ang magiging verdict ko dito because this is just 200 pesos. Pero, it's not that bad, diba? Yung parang fading niya, it's not that bad. No? So, I think I would still recommend it. Kasi, ang mura lang niya. And, alam mo yun, hindi naman ganun katsararat yung naging fading niya. I ate noodles, I ate nuggets and fries, and I drank a chocolate milkshake, and I drank my Glutalipo coffee, and I drank water sa water bottle. Hindi ko lang na-videohan yung mga yon, pero not bad, no? Hindi siya 100% transfer proof. So that's something na kailangan mong pag-isipan. Although, nung tinignan ko yung mask ko, hindi naman ganun kalala yung naging transfer. May shading, but yeah, hindi naman ganun kalala. Hindi singlala nung Asian company na lip mousse. Yun talaga transfer dun sa mask ko. Pero ito, mas minimal kumpara dun sa Easy & Co company. Pero yun nga, hindi siya 100% transfer proof. So that's something you might wanna think about. Depende yan sa kung anong preference mo, so, sa kung anong gusto mo or hinahanap mo. But yeah, that's my final verdict. I still do recommend itong LIPZ Diva. All the products, actually, I do recommend them. Kasi you know naman me, I love anything that's affordable. And you know, that's gonna give me the same service the same effect on my lips that ko ikukumpara mo dun sa mga mamahalin talaga ng bonggang-bongga. So yeah, check them out guys. I'm going to put the link down below sa Shopee on. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.